Alright, welcome back. So let's take a look at addition and subtraction strip diagrams. We'll start off by drawing an example. Alright, so this week, the examples that we've looked at in class, and if you want to go back and look at the lessons online or on YouTube, you can. We basically had a strip diagram where you'd have an A section, a B section, and a C section, right? So essentially, we could make an addition problem out of this and a subtraction problem out of this. All right, so if I wanted to make an addition problem out of this, I could do something like A, or my whole, is equal to B plus C. Remember, this is your whole, this is one part, and this is another part. This is a part whole strip diagram. So if I wanted to make an addition problem that would help me solve this, it would be A equals B plus C. If I wanted to make a subtraction problem that would help me solve this, be A minus B equals C. Now these are just generic addition and subtraction problems. Really, this doesn't give us the answer until we start assigning A, B, and C some actual values. So as long as we have 2 out of these 3 values, we can solve for our unknown value. All right, so for this, let's say that A is equal to 8, B is equal to 5, and C is a question mark. We don't know what C is. So what we can do is we can plug in the numbers that we do know into our generic equation. All right, so 8 is what A is, B is 5, and then we are adding C to 5. So C is our unknown value. 5 plus something equals 8. All right, the way that we've been solving this in class is we've been saying 8 is equal to 5 plus an unknown value or a box. That's what C is going to be. So then we decide, well, 5 plus 3 is 8. So let's check our work. 8 is equal to 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3 is 8. So C is equal to 3 because we filled 3 in our box for C. So this is one way of solving it using addition. We could solve for C using addition. Now, I think there's an easier way with subtraction. Check this out. So on this particular equation, we know that 8 is equal, or A is equal to 8. We also know that B is equal to 5. And so all we're trying to figure out is C. As you can see, bad joke, on this one, the letter is already by itself on one side. The unknown value is all by itself on one side. So all we have to do is solve the other side, and that will tell us what the unknown value is. So 8 minus 5 is 3. Just like that. 3 equals C. So you can see it's a few less steps to get the same answer. Now, we could set up a equation for this strip diagram in both addition form and subtraction form. Sometimes addition will be the easier one. Sometimes subtraction will be your easier one. So learning how to be flexible with using these generic equations and the inverse operation will make that easier. So there's addition and subtraction, solving for an unknown value. When we come back, we're going to take a look at multiplication and division and solving for an unknown value.